The National Weather Service in gray would like to present a short tutorial on our IDSS subscription service. The purpose of this quick tutorial is to show you how to subscribe to National Weather Service Gray Decision Support Briefing Services. For our government core partners that cannot access Google Forms due to agency security restrictions, please directly contact our office for an alternative subscription process. The National Weather Service Gray Decision Support Briefing Services are broken into a three-tier system, which was developed to allow our core partners the choice to receive push briefing notifications based on their weather sensitivity thresholds. In general, Tier 1 services is for low to minor impact events that will occur across the higher population areas of our forecast responsibility area. Tier 2 services is primarily focused on moderate impact weather events, while Tier 3 services are for significant to major impact events. For those partners with NWS accounts, this subscription service is not tied to the NWS platform in any way. Tier 1 briefing services will be a familiar product, as it is our daily EM decision support briefing slide, which is normally updated twice daily. The primary difference for this service is during low to minor impact events, we will email the slide to alert you. The email slide will be the same slide that you can always access on our website. During most cases, the slide will be emailed to you around 4 a.m. and 4 p.m. and will typically be sent within 24 hours of an event. This slide is a list of NWS headline products and weather criteria that we will use for pushing the slide to core partners. You can see for these potentially lower impact events, we are focusing our decision criteria on the more heavily populated areas of our forecast area. The blue areas represent what we are considering urban regions. In general, Tier 1 events are focused on advisory level NWS criteria. Tier 2 briefing services primary product will be our Decision Support Services one-pager, which is designed to message moderate impact weather events. Unlike the EM briefing slide, this product is not created daily and is not posted on our webpage. During most cases, the one-pager for Tier 2 events will be emailed to you around 4 a.m. and 4 p.m. leading into an event. This decision support service will normally begin 2 days from the beginning of an event and will be updated twice daily. One notable exception is for summer severe weather events when predictability is much lower. During these cases, the one-pager will be issued within 18 hours of the event. This slide lists the Tier 2 National Weather Service headline products and weather criteria that we will use for creating and emailing the Decision Support one-pager. Again, Tier 2 issuance products are geared towards moderate impact events. Tier 3 briefing service products will be our Decision Support Services one-pager well ahead of an event and during the event, while the full event briefing presentation will be used leading into the storm. These services are designed to message significant to major impact weather events. Just like Tier 2 services, the event briefing package is only created as needed depending on the weather event and is not posted on our webpage. During most cases, Tier 3 briefing service products will be emailed to you around 4 a.m. and 4 p.m. leading into an event. For higher predictability events like large nor'easters, heads-up products could begin 3 days before an event, and during some special cases, even day 4. Full event briefings will typically begin 48 hours before the event start time, when confidence is increasing and more specific details can be shared. These products will be updated twice daily leading into the event. Just like Tier 2 services, summer severe and flash flood products will have a shorter lead time due to lower predictability. This slide lists the Tier 3 headline products and weather criteria that we'll use for creating and emailing the decision support one-pager and event briefing. Again, Tier 3 issuance products are geared towards significant to major events. To subscribe, go directly to the link listed on the slide, or you can easily navigate to this link via our main web page by selecting the Local Programs menu in the upper right, then select the Core Partner IDSS email notification link. Once on the page, read the definition of NWS Core Partners and decide if you are eligible for NWS Decision Support Services. If you fulfill the Core Partner requirements, then select the Subscribe as an NWS Gray Core Partner link. This will open a Google form. Again, if you cannot access Google Forms, please contact us and we will provide you an alternative method of subscribing. Once on the form, simply fill out the questions as they are mostly self-explanatory. Filling out the form should only take a minute of your time to complete, and select Submit when finished. Just to clarify question 2, it is asking what tier level support you would like to receive. You can only select one answer, so if you would like to receive all products, simply select Tier 1. If you only want to receive Tier 2 and 3 products, select Tier 2 and select Tier 3 if you just want to be notified for significant to major events. Once you are complete, just select Submit at the end of the form. Once you submit the form, the NWS Gray office will be notified of your subscription and you will be added to our Storm Briefing distro list within 24 hours. For some reason, you would like to unsubscribe from the Storm Briefing email distro list, go to the NWS Core Partner IDSS subscription form webpage, select the unsubscribe link, and simply fill in your email. If your work email changes for some reason, the easiest way to update this information is to unsubscribe, then resubscribe by filling the form again with the updated information. If you have any questions on this process, please email the Warren Coronation Meteorologist, Donald Dumont, via this email address. Thank you for your time.